What's happening, party people? I am in the Windy City, Chicago. Man, it is chilly out there. Last 2 days, I've been taking care of a clutch job. I'm going to do some other things today. However, if I have parts for you, I am in the Bensonville area over near Swedish Car Parts. Please get in touch with me and come get these parts. I'm gonna be driving these parts around. So I'm here having a good time in Chi-Town, and I'll be here probably till Wednesday. Then I gotta go take care of some stuff, some medical stuff, some holiday stuff. Then I will be back around the 4th of December, somewhere around there. So then I'll be here for another 8, 9 days. Hope to connect if you're in town. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy today's clips. Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I encounter throughout the day. If for some reason I complete a task and you would like to see the details, you could click on the link in the description area below. This video also contains tips and tricks that I learned throughout the years. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. Thank you very much for watching. What's happening, party people? We are here with this 2000 Volvo V70. Has an ETS light. So an attempt was made to replace the end of it with a contactless unit purchased from eBay. That was failed. So the unit is here in pieces. So we decided to get a ETM from XeMoDeX. We sent them a ETM. They rebuilt it, checked it. It should have been serviced. It was also pre-programmed, returned to us. Now we're going to install this on this 2000 V70 manual. Learned a few things in dealing with this ETM, and that is XeMoDeX has kind of a troubleshooting flow chart that is very useful in determining if there's something wrong with the car or the ETM, and possibly saving you from ordering one if it's a problem with the vehicle. We believe this one was the ETM. Again, it didn't work out trying to rebuild it, so we got one from XeMoDeX. Here's an ETM. As you see, this is their newer stickers. Has XeMoDeX on the side here. That's their contactless thing. They clean it up, they test it, they send you a gasket to put it on. It comes in this static free wrapper. You want to keep that static free. Then it came in this box, and then it was shipped in this box. So you got a box and a box and a box. Handle with care. So the first thing I'm gonna do, since we already have the ETM off, is I'm gonna ground myself to the vehicle. Make sure that mating surface is cleaned off. Bolt the ETM into the car. Hook up the air intake system. Make sure that none of the air intake system is compromised. Plug the unit in. Store the plug. And then make sure all the bolts are snug down so it's grounded. So the easiest way to do this is to remove your unit, ship it to them. And when you're dealing with a car that's not turbo, it's pretty easy. So let me go ahead and pull those screws out, pull that stuffing out of the intake manifold, and put this in the proper orientation to put it in there with, of course, the Volvo gasket. Got that cleaned off with a brush, all the dirt vacuumed out of there. This is the orientation of the ETM install. The contactless thing is going to be in toward the transmission. The sticker is going to be on the bottom. So I'm going to set this here with the new gasket, put the 4 bolts in there, and then I'm going to reach down there to plug it in. We got it installed in accordance with the manufacturer's installation instructions. These bolts are torqued down, the tube is on, all the other intake and vacuum tubes are connected. No leaks that we are aware of. Now you could turn the key on, and when the key comes on, this thing should hum for about 6 seconds. And that lets you know that it's getting power and it's ready to go. It's got a fuse and relay in there. But we're going to go ahead and turn the key and hear it hum. There it is. You hear it whining. And it just clicked back off. Go ahead and put it in neutral and fire it up. Purring like a kitten. Not like it was a couple days ago. A couple days ago it was idle, jumping, looping, bouncing around, and sounds good. We're going to take the car for a test drive and make sure it drives well and check it every couple of weeks. Make sure it still functions well. Here it comes. Backing out of the garage. Fresh new ETM install. I need to scan and clear the codes because the ETS light is still lit. And we are moving right along. Seems to be riding smooth so far. We're going to clear the cluster of its codes. Check engine light, ETS light. Have it hooked up to the Volvo Vita computer. Let's see if we could just tell it to clear code since we already know what they were. Fault trace. These were the codes that was in the system last time it was run. We're going to go delivery, which should let us to the screen where we could clear all the codes. Delivery came up, I arrowed down, I'm going to hit erase all. Then it'll tell me to start the car and let the car idle. Let me do this procedure and then we should be good to go. We'll start the car back up, see if we get any warning lights. Cleared the codes, ran through the restart procedure, and we are codeless other than a light bulb out. So I'm going to select read all here and see if any codes come back. And there you have it. No faults found. We are doing good. Put a couple of batteries back on the charger. I need to re-tag them. Check a couple more. Put that one back on the charger. It's claimed this thing is charged up, so let me test it with my tester. Both of these. See if they're still good. And this one was 100% bad. Not sure about these 200, but they may be bad too. So this was my good stack. Let me check them out. These three here are bad. I need to haul these out of here. The bottom one is good. This one's bad. I'm going to try to go in repair mode on it. And this one is good. I'm going to close out the day with taking this T5 ECU. I'm going to do the SAS mod on it. And then somebody wants this. They have a GLT. And they want the T5 performance. So put a little stress on that turbo, but not much. So let me go ahead and crack this open and do the mod for the SAS. I got the diode there. Got the ECU open. I got the diode in on pin 32 over to 37. It is in very good soldered. The tip of it's on the right side, so we should be good to go. Let me put this together and get this to the guy that needs it. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.